we don't get them, the current update. Yes, as you come, you share so that more tell what you will get them today for the people. Now, I know say, even though we get this coronavirus issue, plenty events the way it happen for Ground Zero way. We give update people the how Ground Zero it go, because plenty things the way it happen as of now. Because we know say for now La Republic they never surrender. They still there for attack our people. Yeah, they still there for kill our people. Even though they don't talk international ceasefire, but La Republic still take opposition sometime and now they want to use the opportunity because of the corona virus issue where the world will cover eye now for crush we. But we don't tell them say we'll resist them to the last man standing. We don't tell them say till I want to say me they start kill the bet them for the sky, because even they kill all we bet the bet them for sky they will start fight them. So thing that way La Republic is the one do, but thank God say as they come with the harvest. They come with the harvest. Yeah, they come with the harvest. So now the analysis in that way will go for tell the people where to wait it happen for Ground Zero, how Ground Zero they operate, because you know say if this government the ban schools, and they ban traveling, you know when people they enter inside one bus, and so they pack away the way that way the coronavirus it mostly affect people because when they for one place too closer. But La Republic never ban that one because you know say that one go it benefit. Yes, because for commode wala enter Boya or you commode Bamen that they go Yaoundé. You know how people they be inside bus, but the government never ban that one. Then the worst part of it, I say, their military they sit there for our land, for the do their atrocities. But I thank to our own military, our boys them, they do a great job. So we analyze what way our boys don't do within the week and of the present day way we day today the week, because every week we suppose can give records for what way we don't do, and the casualties way we get them, and what the success way we don't get them. Yes, even though we don't see ammo car will be destroyed for Oku, where the circulate on social media, we don't destroy for will be destroyed for Oku. We'll give update to that one, and then we'll talk the disarmament fake committee where they put up on Indian. You know, we'll talk the way happen for Indian way where they don't move boys them. Me boys they surrender weapon. The boys they say no because some group they say some fake group they be go like 10 or 80. So they be bribe the person where we take them go they give him money. You know we come back give accountability or wait. So we go talk that one. So we will talk that one for Indian. We talk that one for Oku. Then we talk about some people the way they think say the revolution now for make money, or the revolution they don't surrender, or the revolution if you know they not here for them, you know will work. So we go touch that part. Then we go talk about our Brigadier General Free Marshal. We go analyze the audio way. Most of you don't get the audio for Free Marshal. We will analyze the audio, and then we'll see how we advise the other people into the other fighters into, because now one of the successful fighter that way, you don't give a nightmare to La Republica reach to the present date. That one he talk say other fighters need fighter they fight, all man they fight. But you know say in the military rank, they give rank. Yeah, so when I talk, the boys they feel best understand. Yeah, the boys they fight, they feel best understand. Say in the revolution, like a military, you must get a superior person way. Una they take command. Yeah, either una big man, una they respect it. Yeah, we go analyze the audio way. It's now within the week. Then we'll also talk about the Chadian army, the way where the Chadian government don't call now for withdraw all the military for Cameroon, for La Republic. And then we'll analyze why they decide now to withdraw the military for La Republic. Boko Haram never stop. Why they decide to withdraw the military for La Republic? We go analyze her one. So fellow ambassadors, if you come, you share so that we'll go straight to the point, because me, when I ever start my show, I ever go straight till I end, because even at two people I won't tell you, I say communication. I say me tongue me so one man here. That one man I go interpret. He go tell the other man. The other man go tell the other man. The other man go tell the other man. And so communication you go. Yeah. So fellow Ambazonians, if you not look the right up is there for screen. I talk say I put up they say war and crime. Yes. I say war and crime. Yes. Why I put I say war and crime? Because some people they were Ambazonian, so Ambazonian citizen, they never still believe say we fight war. Some people they still call this war say crisis. Where they still think say La Republique will solve the crisis. They still think say La Republique still get upper hand for tell we what for do, for tell we say when I drop down on a weapon. But I want to tell when I say if you don't pass ever since, from crisis, it didn't a war. We fight now a war. We fight now a war. Now whatever I say war and crime. And if I say war and crime, it means what? It means I want to talk mostly for our fighters. I want to talk mostly our fighters. I say war and crime means say you fight war. You get crime the way you commit during war. Yes. You get crime the way you commit during war. Because if we not educate our fighters them, because una fish at another whole weapon, una fish don't do anything, una fish don't harass civilians anyhow, don't do anything with civilians, because say una the fight war, then they will take and say now war una the fight. No. War crime day. Now why I say war, put I say war and crime. Because when you fighting war, no say tomorrow, the war will end. No war will not. No war, no devil this war where they don't ever fight them. You know, end, it will end. And it will end with you. And you know say where it end. They will come now analyze the war. They start analyze the war. People the way they become crime during war now who them. that on a picture when I show on Facebook, they take record there. And they tell when I say that one I think when I do on Facebook, they take record. When I video them, they take record. Then La Republique, for La Republique side, they don't really fail because we get a lot of videos where the international body already accuse them very well. That one for La Republique, their own side. Now don't forget, they already go. But now we will advise our own boys them, we will advise our own fighters them. We are not for the victim, for war and crime. We are not for the victim during war crime because if you kidnap person, you ask for ransom. You kidnap person, ask for ransom. No, so I crime that way, you commit them. If you catch a fighter, if you catch your friend fighter way, if he come in and waiting for you, you kill him. You kill him. Now crime that. Even military man, but when you catch a military man, you kill him. You kill him. Better say, we the Ambazonian will die for your back. Will say me you not go for that jail. Yes, if you catch a military man, you will kill him because the war crime I say well, you don't catch person captive, no kill the person. But if you catch a kelebe, moving for game. Yes. That one I told you if you catch a kelebe, moving for game. Yes. That one all we the Ambazonian will see away the whole Ambazonian. They will jail the whole Ambazonian because automatically now we don't green. So me they move a kelebe for game. But we catch innocent civilians. Yes, that one will catch innocent civilians. No man of green that one. No man of green that one. We catch innocent civilians. No man of green that one. Yeah, why I was talking this one because recently we get report the highway that they kidnap people. They take this. Yes, but I get first. They say any papa where he begin do crime. Where they can't tell say begin do crime. If you don't want that picking in front of that person, you say you be bad papa, you say you support that picking for the do bad crime. So automatically, I tell our fighter they say if you commit atrocity, kidnap for ransom, kill innocent civilians, you do war crime, you do crime where you go pay. But in the other way now, man not talk again. Me they say I support fighters. Una know say when this war one start, well we see there La Republic, we see there one nation. We will get criminals them. Una fit bear with me. Time the way they be hot, Bamenda be the hot for criminal acts. Kumba be the hot for criminal acts. Moyoka be the hot for criminal acts. Mutengene be the hot for criminal acts. In short, this much more time, every time they all they be hot for criminal acts. What we get rebels them. Thief boys, the way they be thief. When they slap girl, they only slap girl, take phone. Thief. Okay. Now, I want to ask you and say, who said the boys they don't go? Who said the boys they don't go? Because if you was a capitalize, say any married thief, any married ask for ransom, na amber. You now ask yourself, say these boys the way they be causing atrocity the time way where they be the thief. Who said they don't go? Who said they don't go? If you could pay the road, who said they don't go? That could pay the road them. Who said they don't go? You now ask yourself. If you ask yourself that question, then when something happen, we never talk say amber they be 100%. No man no they be 100%. But if you commit that kind, if you ask yourself that question, say bet. They thief boys them that time. Now we get for Kumba, we get Cesar, Alipi man and so for Kumba. You ask yourself, say, who said the gang of thieves when they be there that time? Who said they don't go? I want to tell you, I say, no, they join Amber. No ask that question. They say, no, they don't join Amber. Lies. That thief gang, they don't join Amber. That thief, boys, the way they be the thief, that time, where we be sitting there with the public, they don't join Amber. Yes, they don't join Amber because if they want to join Amber, that could pay the road, that Chadian guy, them, they can't join Amber. That boys, they don't join Amber. Now, the boys, they take advantage. And then why did they take advantage for the revolution now? For the kidnap people for ransom. So, fellow Ambazonians, now why the way attempt this one say war and crime? Say crime the way you will be judged when the war end. No if you say you fight for your side, they don't know you. We get record for all fighters. All fighters will get record. And anything we do them. Anything we do them. We see them. Anything you do them. Information they reach we. Anything, and I want to advise my boys to say, we not be caution enough because the war will fight now na guerrilla warfare. We not the attack now when they claim the long sense. We not the attack now when they lost sense. Because if you start go now, start attack your own fellow civilians. We not know say American satellite there, I watch for Ambazonian. We not see that we not watch that documentation where BBC move am. They tell this one just start where they born Azi village for le BLM, they born Muyenge, born Kwakwa. We not go watch that BBC documentation where BBC move am. Man, you never watch them. You inbox me, I will find and show you. You watch how where BBC capture Muyenge. That way Muyenge be there, it be there. Where BBC there, where they never born them. He capture all that village. They issue that way, it be there, they never born them. They issue again, that way they don't born them. Issue again, that way they don't born them. Then it go now, who the causes havoc. He say who the causes havoc. He move military. Because I remember that time, he said to room might be denied. Say in them born the village. But BBC be move military way that they born house for Azi village. For Azi. When they born house, they move, they took back. Then they want argue again, they move the B. They move B. That logo, they move B. Then they want argue again, that very B. Now they be the quarter atrocity way, they be moved the other documentation for far north, where they kill that woman and Pekin. So I want to tell you that say, now waiting that way, when they want cash now, they tell you for the way you don't ever deny. They tell you for the way you don't ever deny. So my fellow Ambazonians, I want to beg our fighters. Say, when you hungry, call we. All fighters. When you hungry, when you lack chop, you no play for call. No use opportunity say now because of hungry, now because of this, you go do atrocities way you can tomorrow, you know get accountability for yourself. When you hungry, you no play for call. Call we. We go give you where you want. For fit, we not know the problem. For fit, our boys them. You know, being at the problem. You know, being at the problem will fit our boys them. But our problem now with the winner. Our problem with the winner, I say, we not respect the law. We not respect the law. If we hear positive, see, I want to tell you why, especially for fighters them. Plenty people them they say they don't want to contribute for the revolution. Not because of disunity. Not because of disunity. Now the information where the civilian they call for down. Now the information the civilian they call for down. They get every day say they don't can kidnap my this, they don't can do this, they don't can do this. So one say they don't kidnap my sister, so one say they don't do this. Now that call the way civilian they call for down. You know say nearly all family for ambassador get 1 or 2 person for diaspora. Yes, una bear with me that one. Nearly the whole family. Now why that way God bless we? God bless we. Say the revolution. You know favor and because nearly all has for ambassador get all 1 or 2 relatives for diaspora. Now why that way they will sustain the war for the next 50 years and the ground will ever dry. So I want to tell you, those people that were down, I don't say that they call. When kidnap my brother, automatically, if I get my brother for America or for Europe or for Asia, I go call you. I tell you, those people don't kidnap this. Now we don't kidnap him. I will show you know the fighter in name. I will show you know the base in name. When they call now, he go call the other friends say they don't kidnap my sister. Now so he discourage people. But when people hear say we need to cause the atrocities, we are in unity. Money to come out. Yeah, money to come out. So now my advisor way our advice our fellow fighters. Say war crime day. War crime day. War crime day. We are the 5 warriors, but we are not say crime day during crime day during war. Crime day when you commit during war. Yes, crime day you commit them. So when I don't say as you hold gun, if you do anything, if you terrorize population, like how some group of boys them they go as far as to arrest the fund of Inyo. When they atrocity in that way, where God forbid, yes, when they thing in that way we run from La Republique, where they need they know how to respect our culture. You know they're right. How you first start? You know fear. You know fear fun. You know fear fun. Our culture. You know fear fun. You arrest for today. First sleep with your place. You sleep in the name of say you be fighter. You arrest for you go arrest chief. You go arrest chief. Me chief sleep for your place in the name of fighting. No. You know that we want for ambassador. You know that we run. We say run for that one. But they fund the way they don't say their conscience. They chief the way they don't say their conscience. Now that one now we need pity them. Yes. They because you know be big chief where you decide to disrespect your subject. You need to respect your subject. You go for your selfish interest. They give you money, you sell the whole village. Yes. Because if you chief, you turn the black leg for your own people, then you expect waiting. Yeah, there are people that will dethrone you because you the chief, you don't that place and because of your people. So if you start fight against their people because of your belly and your family, then your people now they will reject you. Yes. But for say the chief the way they be silence. Because silence means say it deal with you. But enough you talk because of the nature for the country. Not expect fun for talk anything. But expect people don't be quiet, just for arm. Don't be so. Yeah, but he goes and run him up. Because don't go in Douala or Yaoundé. Start run him up. Say this Amba na terrorist, Amba na this and this. And that one in that way, we don't really get a place where we put them. And they fund and they can't fund the old chiefs and that will get place where we put them. So fellow ambassadors, now the advisor way, I get a tell you for war and crime. Yeah. Then we'll go for this aspect of unity. Yes. For diaspora. Fellow ambassadors. People the way they cry every day. Say unity. Unity. No man no dey body where he want go boya. No man no day ambassador where he no life to see freedom. All man life freedom. All man life freedom. But now what problem now which possible means if we get to reach that boya. Because all man define that the short possible means the short con short if we use them for reach that boya. Now the only way that we all man way me and you will there we talk so I will find a short means way we use for reach boya. And that short mean now they say na unity. Okay. Now I tell you when I say now only me and you, if we bring unity among the leaders that they fight. So when they fight for their personal belly. Yes, the leader for diaspora, so when they fight for their personal belly. Now only me and you, if we bring unity. Yes, when we stop for start give money for individual, unity become automatic. Sam, they will cry, go round, but they will like unite. But as far as their pocket them there, their pocket they see they fresh, their pocket they swell. Me and you forget unity. Me and you forget unity for the leaders them. When me and you stop for give 5 francs for a leader, you call say their own contribution for a group. Forget say unity will ever be. But when we stop for start give money for them, their pocket will dry, they will stand so. Then they will see a government where they will join automatically where you don't even know how they join, and they will join very joyfully. Yes, they will join very joyfully, my fellow Ambazonians. Now me and you will derail this unity. Not be our leaders them. They deny unity. Now me and you will make them not unite. Because already, we swear their pocket. We swear their pocket they get voice or talk. But tie their pocket dry. You will say, you don't get command. You don't get talk for talk. But when pocket they fresh, you go talk. Ma tell you now. Now the one that they carry me go for the ceasefire way. Dr. Ebenezer Akwanga, he talk about ceasefire. Because I be bring that one say for unity, then he come for Dr. Ebenezer Akwanga. See, when I also say in the couple of months, going to year now, the Sokadev, he talk say Sokadev and they again 90 for 9 region lies. See, now why the way you see for this revolution, a lot of lies and conspiracy it will take place because over pride is the key we Amazonians. Over pride. So can there be there this village, how they call this village, Pinyen, for Momo, they drive them. So can there be Muyenge, with them Muyenge, by General Opopo, we all man know him. So can there be Mato, at 3 places, so can there be. But I tell you that one thing where it happen now for Sokadev. Sokadev no be control, the leader for Sokadev no be control Sokadev. Now because of the pocket don't dry. I tell you now. Opopo, we don't talk with ye. Sokadev no control ye. Yes, because you control boys that go down now when you feel finance them. You know be the control person where you give it all that way, you know be take care of that person. Yes, even a woman for house, you know, we call every day daddy, you know, they know carry a responsibility like a man in the house. You must carry a responsibility like a man. Even though your woman love you, but you must carry a responsibility like a man for house. So I want to say these people, these Sokadev, they don't get the manpower. They don't take the responsibility for finance those guys and for down. So they don't get powers for control the guys. Automatically, you don't get powers for tell the guys they send the ceasefire. Yes. And I want now me and you as I need the game. Their pocket dry. You see that guy that was down now. Now so unity will come. Now so unity will come both for diaspora and for ground zero. Because when you contribute money, give a particular group of people, they go sit down, they create small 3 fighters, they buy 3 AKs, they give them, they start big command. They make video. They show us actually they get military for ground zero. When I'm me and you, we don't contribute that chaos. But when that pocket, they for pocket, there will be silence. They will be silent. They don't talk. They don't talk. They will be silent. They will not talk. So can then for matter and you don't lose control. As of what way we get that you don't lose control for matter. Opopo you don't lose control. So pocket don't dry. But I want to tell you say you know if you talk say move ceasefire. I thought Dr. Ebenezer Akwanga, you know if you talk say me ambassador a ceasefire away. We need to fight La Republique. So my post I never put them. I said we need to fight La Republique. We need defend ourselves. So automatically, Mawe will cease fire, now Mawe can fight too. Now La Republique fight we. We will defend ourselves. So if it cease fire they come, me La Republique move with military, cross Mongo, you will see what so ambassador, you will see even one ambassador fighters, even one, you know, see they will street. All my auto disappear. So if we Dr. Ebenezer Akwanga, if you want to talk about ceasefire, if La Republique don't call you, for say me lobby, me tell La Republique say, you will be declare war. Me is ceasefire. And then see our we will do her. Me La Republique take military to cross Mongo. Then see what you will go do. What ambassador will fight ambassador. We fight na military and we defend ourselves because military come out attack with our hearts. We defend ourselves. We need to fight. We never wage war for La Republique. Because if we wage war for La Republique, we will kill French people. We need to kill French people. We will kill our military. We will kill our La Republique military. We will kill our foreign military where we can kill our people. Foreign military where they send America. We can massacre our people. We need defend and defend. We need defend and defend. We need to fight. Nate Ebenezer, Dr. Ebenezer, say we beg, we respect you very well for the revolution. We respect you very well because you don't suffer for the revolution well. You don't suffer bet. If you see I say you want rest, if you want rest, then don't be in silence. You rest. Then we can't talk so statement way. You know, say ambassador, they so to be intelligent. No can take a statement away tomorrow. They will use that against you. Say you will set out, you will do this. Well, I don't want to say you don't go that level. Yes, I don't think say sometimes you get wrong conception or I say you get some pressure, they pressurize you for back. But tell the people say, we the people of Ambazonian, we need to fight war with La Republique. We need to defend ourselves. So La Republique will wage war. And a president. The president of La Republique wage war for we. So automatically, if you come say move ceasefire, yeah, president of La Republique now wage war for we. Anytime La Republique say ceasefire, then they withdraw their military go over the Mongo. They all think to Odo Kami. They will know how we will know how we will our own territory. Yes, when they carry their military go, all things be normal. Then we will know now how we will our own territory. Yes, we define that self-defense, we define that self-defense. We never start go offensive. We never start offensive fight. So, you know, if it doesn't mean we withdraw our move ceasefire away, we will defend. We never go offensive. So, my advisor I give Dr. Ebenezer Akwanga say, if he doesn't move with ceasefire for this time of coronavirus, when La Republique never ceasefire, La Republique they recently killed a young man for Mutengene. They shoot a young man for Mutengene. Innocent souls for Mutengene. So now their own ceasefire that way. You want to the ceasefire, they mean La Republique they see all when now they kill all we. Then the ceasefire now will be. I want to say La Republique they will use advantage for this coronavirus for massacre our people so that they war now. Because they war now, they be crazy for this coronavirus way it happen now. So La Republique they want use the opportunity now for crush our people. So now the advice that way. I want to give Mr. Dr. Ebenezer Akwanga. Then, my fellow Ambazonians, we'll go now for where to it happen for. We don't hear Indian. Some group of people don't come and say, me our boys they surrender. When I don't say the Prime Minister, one Nangute, Unaweti, he come on Indian. So anyone use all way by powers for suppress our army. Our ambassador Amin for Indian. Una not say in the recent weeks, Indian they be carry their own massacre where they be they be harvest or small harvest for La Republic, where they be send a kelebe they go down, even for Lobe Estate. So this Ngute man, he the one use all he will and the money we get like a prime minister, for see say he want suppress our boys of Indian. But now, thank God, our boys them don't send a strong signal, a strong message. They tell you say we will not be surrender weapon. In a you begin them weapon, I know they no right for cutting the weapon. See, any fighter where these people when they give you money, you deny, you be foolish fighter. Yeah, I want to tell that today. Take their money very well, then you equip yourself very well. Then you when equip yourself very well, you will harvest more. Now see, na number they are kabai, that they be door. When they give you, take them. Then you equip yourself well. Then that very night, you launch an attack, you still harvest. See, because number they are slave now for Yaoundé. All the way they go na slave now. Their life, they need to enjoy their life now. I be telling a story for number, but that one, you know, call for that one. So I advise my boy of India say, when I stay fast, I like when I message when I send up for Ngute. They say you need to represent Ambazonian. He be appointed by the presidential decree for La Republic as a slave. He work as a slave man. He be a slave. So he don't get no talk. He don't get no voice for tell we the people of Ambazonian. So if you think say he want use his power as a minister for tell our boys and say me ceasefire, me keep that weapon down, then he get a think and rethink because that money where he get for Yaoundé, na chiki change will come to Ambazonian. That money where he get for Yaoundé, you know, we buy the life of Ambazonian, they don't die. That money where he get for Yaoundé, you know, we build all the houses we don't burn them. You know, we build our properties. We are picking don't stay for years, not for go school. So that money where he get for Yaoundé, he get for Yaoundé, you know, we do no impact for we. So when I tell you say, it don't fail. I go before I finish the show. I see some right away some fellow ambassadors right time. I go read that me all my year. You see the way ambassadors they think. So how they sleep for bed they think. You see all the failures the way La Republic don't fail. All their failures them. So I be see that right up. I be very impressed. So now wait that way. We the ambassadors will sleep, we think about the revolution. We think how our people the day we think the weakness of our enemy. Yeah, so now they advise that. Then I'll go again. We'll talk about the Chadian army. When I don't get the recent newspaper, the recent report where they can Chadian they withdraw their military from Cameroon, La Republic. I want to say when I look this war, La Republic will be expect. Say this war where it will shall we will defend ourselves to reach this level. Yes, La Republic will ever believe say we will fight the war so they can reach this level. But don't reach a level where we don't defeat them. Now Chadian they also move the army them. Here recent report say 92 army for Chadian they die for Boko Haram within the week for Boko Haram. Lie. That one a fake lie. Now fake lie. Chadian government don't support Cameroon, La Republic government for support Boko Haram ever since. But no any time where Boko Haram will kill that amount they say they want withdraw. See, ambassador don't touch them very well. When I remember some time where Wata that boy they be cry say when I remember now the only revolution where they follow very well the groundwork for ground zero. Now remember that time where our boys they be cry Wata they say a Chadian army them. They say La Republic don't go bring Chadian army them. Then the worst of them say they send the Chadian army for in front. They send the Chadian army for in front. Then that boy they kill them. See, Chadian army don't die for this struggle past La Republic army. I tell you now, Chadian military don't die for this struggle. We don't send them for 6 feet pass. Now the way that government don't say I say don't too much. Their government say it want take them, go keep them for the look of their boundary. So now Italian government no say it get boundary, we go keep military. Or I want to say Boko Haram don't end. Boko Haram never end. Me they leave them. Boko Haram never end. We don't touch them well. We don't touch them well. We don't touch them well. So that government decide say, okay, maybe the Republic fight the war now you won. So if you take the night, say me the Republic fight the war now you won. The war only pass. The Republic be tell say that people the way they define like just a small group of terrorists the way me just say military, me they don't use them for support, just crush them down. But now Chadian don't discover say that military only die say pass the one for the Republic. Yeah, the military say die pass the one for the Republic. So they all withdraw. They never withdraw, eh? They never withdraw. As they go so, that's how the Republic will start go. Yes, as they go, that's how the Republic will go too small. So now the one that I get to talk with Chadian this and then we talk about our boys in Oku. When I don't see the footage and the video where when I say people the way they want video. People where they want video for social media. When I don't see the video now, when I don't see the great work for the boys of Oku. Then some group of people they now thank God the boys they don't make they identify themselves. Because some group for Kato say now the ADF waiting for Oku. But thank God so the boys they already make that video, they just show everything. How they send ammo car for them. I think that 8 people they die for inside the ammo car, they have the car and go. So fellow Ambazonians, when we look at critically, you see I say in this period of coronavirus, La Republic military, what will they go do for a village, Oku village, with ammo car? People there they talk say move ceasefire. When I see the one way that the Republic will go do because if they be succeed, if our boys and believe them, they succeed their mission. If our boys believe them, they succeed their mission. Automatically, we have a year half of Oku village, and this half of now because people that brain they now they listen for coronavirus. No man for cry. You only cry and for social media, international body. Now they think about coronavirus. So thank God say our boys will be very vigilant and they be very wise. I'm very fast enough to attack them before they want to do the massacre, the one massacre. When you go for with ammo car for go do it for Oku village. When you go for ammo car, now coronavirus vaccine, when you go give people the villagers for Oku, when you go give the weighty. But thank God say our boys be very tactical now, and le Français where he did for. When any ammo car where the show face, yes, we don't tell the Republic they say we not pack fine because we get till now it move ammo car, it blow ammo car. So we want to say if we not think say na ammo car the win war, we not think say na ammo car the win war. Then we not rethink, then we not go strategize una tactics very well. Come back again. Then una wage different war. Una wage different war. Una wage different war for we. Because if na ammo car, we don't pass the level of ammo car. People here of Granzero now see. We get people the Granzero where they hear all the sound. They don't know the differential sound. They hear they say the one that sound for AK-47. The one that sound for G3. The one that sound for ammo car. As an ammo car game, they already identify the game. They already identify. So as they hear the sound, they already know how to tackle the situation. When I before the county AKs, that would be used den guns. But now when the camera now with ammo cars, we already discover the secret for ammo car. We don't discover the secret for ammo car. What next? Now war jeep. We not go bring war jeep then now. We not go bring war jeep. Yes, La Republic ammo car don't pass now because we not go for China. China don't go give now baby ammo car the way where win say the first blow. Yeah, the baby ammo car the way we what? We defend that the Français way they use for that ammo car self. We suppose use them for war jeep because the way they defend blow that ammo car they say not rapping. They say na so toy. They say na toy. Yes, they say na toy. Una intelligence. See, Kai. I know what tell una the intelligence way our boys them get them. Yes. Una no see them. Una no see them, but they see una. Now the advantage we will get over una la republic. Una need to see we, but we see una. Una need to see we, but we see una. Una don't know who's out there, but we know so una there. And we know how una the come. We know play go set una trap. So it's high time una pack una thing very well. Una old man we are on themselves. We hear say don't die oh, you know die oh. We consider una bed. Una pack una thing they don't go tell that old man we are on themselves. Enough is enough. Me leave that people them. Me leave that people them. That people them they are level past una level. Yes. Me leave that people them because una level with our level we pass now. This coronavirus way it happen the whole world so. That's why another blow to the Republic eh. They don't borrow money again. Yeah, na them kiss him. La Republic will see. I want you to say this war will not finish the war. We don't finish the war. The coronavirus was said they will borrow money again. They don't give them money for coronavirus because they get fake cases where they bring an answer for coronavirus. Government give them money. World Health Organization give them money. But I want to tell you, I say this very money don't finish. The money gonna individual don't finish. They want borrow money of China face crisis. They want borrow money of Europe face crisis. They want borrow money of America face crisis. Any man respect himself now. And now will be. I then now will see who be who now. Yeah, because ambassador and coffers not dry. Yes, ambassador and coffers not dry. People they will ask for coronavirus. Coronavirus, you worry them, but God may pay them. For Europe, what they say, ambassador and coffers not dry. Yes. We now go impose kind tax for the Republic for take and get money for kill the people for ambassador. But we tell say it will fail una. So, fellow comrades, then now we'll go now for I go play this audio. We'll listen now, they will elaborate on the audio. Yeah, I play the audio, more listen now. Then we talk, because we get plenty things we will talk for the audio. Then the show, yeah. So la République fixe. If you say they don't win, we. The fixe they don't win, but we will tell them say we don't really win them, we don't really succeed them. Now, so the only way to remember the revolution now. Now the groundwork, yeah, the physical work, we don't finish them.
The BLM people.
More listening to that audio then.
The Bang people, Nungatet, Lego, Mambin, Mok for Zimonde, Brinka, Ndumbin, Minjirikung, Nkong, Bisali, Bichati, Wabani, Wanna hear me fine. Nami Fimasha for Ambazonia at the talk. Any moto where they pass through Mbrinka, enter the BLM, let them stop. Any moto where they enter from Chang, West region, enter Mbrinka, let them moto them, they stop. This one they go for a law center. Any moto where they enter through Chang, pass through Congo, enter for our law. But then stop. Because danger they come. Lockdown don't ever be for inside the BLM. But Bamreke them, oh Mongbin, oh Mbrinka them. They pass, enter. Namifima Shariking. At the day when I say make it stop, I've been locked down before the election. We begin for repeater for inside Ambazonia land. We'll be told say it not get for me. and then come back for the main road. We're late from Fongutungong to Alo, right down to the capital, Minji. If you any driver, you know say carry 3 canas, drive your motor, come down. You will find your motor for valley where you don't radar. I hear a meeting where they be holding for Chang today, and I asked you for capital for Fontem Center, the BLM, they hold a meeting. Where they talk for driver, and when they start for Caribou and come for town. Balok follow you. You carry that motor, come down. You go find that motor for pieces. Like a Kelebe, you own them. Where were they broken? I wonder if Mr. SDU, he will go Shidon for Chang. For whole meeting, wait for Shidon for Minji. A whole meeting, call driver them, talk with them. Some of them come. Of course. Now because no driver. And no moto, no fit come out Chang. Carry any person, come down. We are not giving instruction. Now for today when I say the BLM, no fun and no chief. They control the BLM Nambazonia. They control your territory. My day when I some people no. Me the female shall be the SDO. I be the governor. And I be man of war for inside the BLM. Nobody will dare. When I think say, I hear some person tell me this evening, say, make a come out. I go resign. They will give me post. Which post? Where I go take them. So they go pay price for my them with the run die. Picking them with the run die. Ambassador with the run die. Which price? Because of course, no money, you know, go pay a life of a human being. We tolerate soldier them. They kill them. At the time when another one when all the drivers. If you tell when I say when I come for the BLM, when I come. I want to make the whole Ambazonia people and the whole government make it hear. And no 1 year person talk say, FEMA shall run blow civilian motor them. But I hear my warning. If they come, you be Bamreke, we will enter from Brenka, they enter from Mount Bean with motor, carry chop, do everything, take and come out. If you enter, you enter for your own risk. Because I will start for open Kage, Le Francais, for one skin. And the new camp for soldier, we will go put them from Brenka, mock for the Monday, and Mount Bean. That one them, they died them no be long again. The one for Minji, the one for Azi. What I be here, people will be there, they be here, what will be happen. I know we'll laugh 2 times. Now me, FMA, FEMA shot the king at the talk. I know say some people they used to talk say, show we proof. I will talk say that one them they return a team with it no. Yes. Now I ask when I some question. Some activists them where they go sit down for platform where they talk nonsense. Now when I come out, when I pay when I plane, come for inside the BLM, where when I come out, show me which office where they open for inside the whole BLM. When they ask me a picture, when I go with that picture of them, with that video, them tire. When they tell when I say Fibasha, now foolish man, good. We go do any small thing. Show them for when I for upside. Good. I know when I go with that video, them tire. Good. No ever see them. Good. But no office. No they open for the BLM. One of the activists who are shown for television, talk like people then they run hot some spear. So they red. They choke them from a back buttocks. When I don't know when they talk. When I know something, I want to tell Ambazonia people. Many activists they hate Free Marshal because I be move Gary for their mob. Some people be talk saying that them they sponsor Red Dragon. I talk say Red Dragon. Never ever sponsored by individual. Free Marshal be start war for East Amazonia. Even as the interim government be talks for the beginning, say they don't know Free Marshal. Native group. I be great. I be welcome the insult. But after they will not say that group not be a bad group, not be a team group. When they watch everything will happen with one on two eye. Now Free Marshal from Amazonia at the talk. Bon, je veux envoyer cette parole.
Okay, yeah, we don't listen now. You want to talk now? You want tell la Republic them? Okay. Yeah, we don't listen for Free Marshal, the General Brigadier Free Marshal is audio. Yes, we're getting the way we're going to extract from the video, from the audio. Yes, we'll tell the world, but this one first, any man will belong to the Allo village, Le Bang, all that village where Free Marshal don't call us. So me, he call a family, he pass a message. Yeah, this one message Free Marshal he pass, especially the Bamileke people, they think say they feel bypass the Ambazonian law for enter. So he say any man will see a motor, you pass, you will see a motor for Dan Valley. I know what you have for Dan Valley. You need to go for Dan Valley with the motor, you come back alive. Yeah, so Free Marshal don't draw our attention for plenty things them. What we'll get elaborate and Free Marshal talk say first, he talk of danger. Yes, he say any man will disrespect the laws of the government. And then try to say, I want penetrate as La Republic government, don't go meet with Chang. We want enter the BLM. Me know say he life there in danger. So now I warn that to the people of the BLM, when they don't pass a ghost town an instruction, we not respect the instruction. Because he don't talk say me the government, no can talk say because if the government don't give a decision, he don't accept the decision and they enforce the laws because they being that the laws enforced for the Federal Republic of Amazonia. Now they enforce the laws. Yeah, secondly, he talk about the tribe of Bribey. Yes. Now play that way, he caught our attention. He said the tribe of Bribey, and then we talk about how they want me show videos them, dissing them for Facebook. I think that way we'll talk that one short brief. Yes, okay. Fellow Ambazonians, we are listening na a soldier, na a brave soldier. This way he talk down the cry. We are hear where Free Marshal cry say that money where they go give, he go bring alive people the way they don't die. He go bring alive people in our house they don't burn them. He go bring alive the small picking the way 5 months old baby the way they kill them. Now which kind of money where they feel bribe for this revolution? You bring all the pain and suffering for the people the way they don't go and the people they suffer. The one they do for Nigeria and Kondengi. Now a strong message where the Free Marshal don't say now because I tell you now one thing. The highest person where they want to bribe for this revolution. Una fi say any contact Free Marshal. Una fi say Nambere wan go take that Langa money. If una fi say La Republic dey find way for contact Free Marshal. La Republic dey find way for go extra mile. La Republic dey find way for go extra mile. If Free Marshal wan live well with his family, La Republic see tell say they will secure him live well with his family. But it don't tell we say he go live. What about the people the way they don't die? The souls they don't die. The mommy happy they don't die for where they born for house. They were house they don't born them. The refugees they do in Nigeria. Now what you go bring with joy? Now you go take that money. Now that money go bring joy to the people of Amazonia. Now a patriotic soldier this the talk. Yes. Now a patriotic soldier this the talk, fellow Ambazonian. Do you want a patriotic soldier this the talk where it advice? So this message where I put a media list listing. Now we'll pass a message to another fighters. Pass a message to another fighters for make una know say no amount of money no dey where they fit give you, you bring our freedom. No money no dey where they fit give you, you get freedom. Your freedom, you fight take your freedom. You better will be poor man that will be a rich man in slavery. It's better to be a poor man in freedom that will be a rich man in slavery. Now what you free Marshal they talk here? Yeah, because they don't contact you for give money. He said that money if you do it. See, free Marshal if you take money, this say me family them. As the other fighter don't take them. But now who said the fighter they don't take their own share? Who said they? Look at my tell another thing. Nambere and Free Marshal are two different people. Nambere don't drop your weapon before one drop. You say you don't drop the weapon. Nambere don't drop your weapon because Nambere don't be in Nigeria almost 1 year 8 months in the fight. Yes. Now what you see it be very difficult say for yourself where I hear some people they come Facebook say Nambere want go show fight at the camp. Nambere want go show fight at the camp. Nambere want go this is stiff. Nambere don't know no play fight and fight again. It won't be 1 year, almost 2 years. The dynamic for down don't change. The game will don't change. The fight I put up another day. The camp they don't change. So now forget about that stuff saying Nambere. If you want to show this, Nambere no to the happen for down again. If you again of course for fight the dynamic the game will down. It change. So now advise you Free Marshal advise we. Say they don't try to bribe you bet. They bribe nothing do nothing. Then it go again. When I see, I tell you now before I want to put the audio say now only me and you. If we bring unity for this leader, the way they fight powers, only me and you if we bring unity because when we make our pockets dry, when we make our pocket money need to enter, we give money for our county by county, LGA by LGA, RTN. And the very two Free Marshal talk say they hate you because you chop for them up. When I hear to Free Marshal talk no, now fight they talk say activism. They hate you because you chop for them up because. They want to use Free Marshal for that kind of one way. They only call. They only make a video, make audio, give them. They come for propaganda for Facebook now. And they use and say, okay, now General Free Marshal on top. He say need this. This is support Free Marshal. We not give money. This. But Free Marshal said, no, it's not day. It's day now for government. And see, I like when soldier talk, so he talk the truth. Some people they say, Free Marshal, because in a Chris Ano, his brother, Chris Ano, they give all for Free Marshal, now he make Free Marshal did this. When I hear what your Free Marshal talk no, he said even the interim government be there against you. Now later on, the interim government can realize say he's a brave fighter before they embrace him, and he embraced the interim government because he knows not a government. Okay, now no say Chris Ano be there for interim government ever since. But yes, that's not them. The Christian know they will coach Free Marshal say na chief man, not be a brave fighter. Now see no. Now because he show it bravely, then the government embrace it. They take himself, join the government, say go fight with the government. Then he move chop for that activism where they want use in name the propaganda. They want use in name the propaganda for thing with people. See my tell you something. That's why in the way if you look at short face of fighters. They don't get talk for take money. Yes. Group them the way they use some fighters. They use now weapon for show on social media. Show samples of weapon so that it will motivate people to give money. But man when they do the work in the camp of social media can show weapon, show fighters. Man when they do the work in the camp of Facebook can show fighter, can show weapon, say me contribute or show fighters. But group them the way now they can show a fighter in face for Facebook, show he will gun. So that me people they look and say the fighter be well equipped. He not equip the fight. He not equip the fight. Man tell you now. La Republic will get the highest sophisticated weapon, but we use them. We start use this sugarcane them. We start using this small sugarcane them for fight La Republic. Now remember so you know it been a sophisticated weapon. So no kind of propaganda. It shows sophisticated weapon. We want to fight. No be we want to brave fighters first. If you give all the weapon the way we hold over the whole world, if you don't get the brave fighters and trustworthy fighters, you know if you win the fight. You know if you win the fight. In a weapon the fight, a fighter, a brave fighter the fight. So almost stop you a propaganda store the carry material the capital of Facebook. So when they go do Photoshop material the capital of Facebook, you convince people them. You know, not be machine the fight. Now individual the fight, now sense the fight. So we don't listen the Free Marshal in audio. Una see how he talk, how they want use it, but he no go. Then the other part he talk again about people. They say me show video. Now a trap. They find way to kill you, but you know work. I be tell una no. I be tell una. They will make propaganda all kinds of style say na lie, na this. You never kill no military. You never say no ammo cover down. Me do video show am. Yeah, so they want track. You know go work. You know go see. I don't tell una say lie like na free marshal no be small pikin. Una looking very well na each person na person way he be intelligent. He get the wisdom. So we no take key compared to you as small brave fighters them. Because I know if you caution our fighters them. You are brave fighters the way where they just be pushed by the noise for diaspora. Me they do them, they just do them. Free marshal get sense. If you don't want to send money for free marshal because he no show you video, leave them. If you don't want to show you give money for feeding or you don't want to give money for this because he no show you video for what you do them, you leave them. But now La Republic they give you result. They give for La Republic their newspaper. Now they give you result for what you free marshal they do them. Now they give you result for what you do them. Not the ask video. Not the ask video so that when I will use that video now for tracking, it will be very difficult for you to show them. And I appreciate it very well, 100%. The active manga they don't want to use it for make name. They don't want to use it for tracking. Because now diaspora now they make now they track our fighters them. Now diaspora now they make a key our fighters them. For neck. We're not correct. So fellow comrades, una listening way to free marshal talk. Now the audio that I put them so that we listen say our brave hero free marshal is there alive. Then I salute all our brave fighters them for the 13 county and our supporters them for our brave fighters too for diaspora where when they support this struggle. I want to tell you some people the way they need. I want to tell people they need support this struggle. You will need support this struggle. Look where one go sleep. Ask yourself. Say, when this struggle end tomorrow, people they jubilate. You too can jubilate. Ask yourself if you never get $5 francs, $5 francs you never give them $5. It be enough. When I see the show where Prince Jeka do it today, now one way I like for appreciate any positive move where people do for this revolution. We go literally to Boya. I want appreciate Prince Jeka. I want appreciate him enough and Paul Nilong and Ochembadem and Nancho for that brave work they do for tell the people the truth. When I see what you happen yesterday for that Prince Jeka issue. Now we get $1,550 for a show yesterday. People they support the struggle. People they be moved for the struggle. The struggle is not a struggle for one man. The struggle is a collective struggle for all man. Your small contribution, it go help. Your small contribution go help. He say he go sit there for show again today for 6 p.m. And when I know say, I won't forget the name. Now that match they play, you will never see. I never watch Prince Jeka show. That show you miss. For do a short time for us with the coronavirus. When I take small time experience, I never watch Prince Jeka show. It miss. Ask yourself. Say when this struggle end tomorrow, will they jubilate? People they jubilate. You too go jubilate. Like a short question that way. I don't try. Say you go ask yourself. Say if you need to support this struggle, if it end tomorrow, you go jubilate. Then any man way you don't know your account where it's supposed to belong. If you inbox me, I go direct to for Sawe, you will belong. If you don't know Sawe, your county. If you just there, you don't know your county, you inbox me. I go inbox Prince Jeka. Then we'll send for your county. Because some people in the way they sit down, they don't know whether their county exists. All county exist. All and fully. Yeah. So thank you very much for listening. So tomorrow maybe we'll come for another show again, depending on how we get information for Ground Zero. Thank you very much. And stay blessed.